Listen, man, no one's gonna tell you this, but I will. She rejected you, and it stings. Not because you thought she was the one, not because you can't live without her, but because deep down you showed up real. You dropped the act, you put something vulnerable on the table, and she walked away. And now you're left with that silence, that aching quiet that eats at your confidence, your worth, your sense of control. It haunts you. Because rejection, when you're still emotionally invested, feels like betrayal, like someone saw the deepest parts of you and deemed them unworthy. But here's the truth they won't tell you. She might have rejected you, but if you handle this like a man, with calm strength, restraint, and brutal self-discipline, she will come crawling back. Not because of some trick, not because you manipulated her, but because of who you become in the silence. See, most men fold here. They chase, they spiral, they look for closure, for explanations, for something to ease the burn. They become needy, reactive, weak, and women can smell that energy like blood in the water. But if you sit in the fire and refuse to flinch, if you master the urge to reach out, to prove your worth, to beg for her presence back into your life, that's when the tide begins to turn. Because women don't truly respect the man who needs her. They want the man who chooses her, but never depends on her. Let's break this down. Number 1, the psychology of rejection, what she really meant. Most rejections aren't logical, they're emotional. She may tell you she's not ready, or needs space, or doesn't know what she wants, but what she's really saying is, you didn't ignite something primal in me. That doesn't mean you're not enough. It doesn't mean you're inferior. It means you were either too available, too emotionally invested, too soon, or you simply didn't challenge her in the right ways. You became predictable, software easy to read. See, women test you constantly, not out of malice, but instinct. She wants to feel something real, something rare, something masculine, centered and unshaken by her storms. When you break down emotionally after rejection, when you fall apart, when you chase her approval, you confirm her doubts. But if you hold frame, if you disappear into your mission, your discipline, your silence, you plant a seed of uncertainty in her mind. A what if? A did I misjudge him? A slow, gnawing doubt that maybe she walked away too soon. This is not manipulation. This is nature. Number 2. The art of emotional detachment. Most men misunderstand detachment. They think it means being cold, distant, uncaring. That's not power, that's bitterness. Real detachment is emotional control. It's knowing how you feel, but refusing to be ruled by those feelings. It's not denying the pain, it's owning it, sitting with it, learning from it. Because when you feel it fully, without acting on it impulsively, something shifts in you. You stop becoming a man who reacts and start becoming a man who chooses. This is where your transformation begins. While she expects you to spiral, you meditate, you train, you build, you read, you work, you elevate, you don't post thirst traps, you don't subtweet pain, you vanish into your evolution. She rejected who you were, she doesn't know who you're becoming. And that mystery, that quiet self-mastery, it drives women insane because now she doesn't know if she can still get to you. And that's the first step to flipping the script. Number 3, why she comes crawling back. Women live in waves of emotion. She might be certain she doesn't want you today, but that certainty is tied to who you were, not who you are now. If you transform in silence and she sees even hints of your evolution, it creates cognitive dissonance in her mind. Why isn't he chasing? Did he not care? Wait, who is this new version of him? This emotional chaos will pull her back. Not always with an apology, not always directly. Sometimes it starts with a story reply, a random text, a like on an old photo. It seems casual, but it's not. It's her testing the waters. She wants to know if she still has you. Your job, remain still. Respond from strength, from clarity, from a place of calm detachment. You don't rush back in. You don't feed the old dynamic. You let her prove she's worthy of this new you. Number 4, what if she never comes back? Here's the raw truth. She might never return. And that's okay, because the real power of this process isn't in getting her back. It's in becoming the man who doesn't need her to. It's in reclaiming your emotional sovereignty. Every heartbreak, every rejection, every ghosting, every betrayal, it all forces you to look inward, to cut out the boyish patterns, to step into masculine calm, to stop performing for validation. The moment you truly no longer care whether she comes back or not is the moment you become dangerously attractive, because you're no longer chasing anything outside yourself. And ironically, that's when the world starts chasing you. Number 5, the masculine path forward. This is your invitation, not to get her back, not to prove her wrong, but to transcend the man who needed her in the first place. You know what you felt, you know what you gave, you know it came from a real place, so let go. Don't look back, don't seek revenge, don't hope, just build. Build your mind, your body, your presence, your financial power, your peace, because the men who win in this game aren't the ones who obsess over women. They're the ones women obsess over, by being unshakable, by mastering the art of letting go, by making peace more important than validation, by becoming the man she regrets losing, and even if she never says it out loud, she'll feel it deeply. You want her to regret it? Then stop chasing her. Start becoming the man who doesn't get rejected. He gets remembered. Let her crawl back to the memory of you and find you long gone, because the real win isn't having her back. It's having yourself fully. And once you do, there's no woman alive who can take that from you. If this hit you deep, you're not alone. There's a reason you're here. Watch the next video, because the path of transformation doesn't end here. It's just beginning.